Alright, what's up everyone? So we decided to get into this trade here. I was wondering if it was going to come down to this level here for an entry, but we came into this bearish fair value gap here, traded into, kind of disrespected its 50% a bit, and then this candle came in, traded to 50% of this wick. So once price traded above this bearish fair value gap, and this candle here opening and traded into this candle, I entered with the idea that price is not going to want to come any lower under the under this level. As you guys can see, I bought there, and I don't want price to trade under this level because it has already been traded through, and then we rejected it over here, disrespected that upper discount level of the bearish fair value gap. So I expect this to be an inverse fair value gap now, giving us full support for higher prices. And I'm looking for higher prices because as you guys can see here, we had a lower high here, but relative highs that were taken. And we also have a lot of equal highs at the highs over here. So I want to see if maybe if price wants to go above these highs, or at least this candle's high. So that's what we're watching. If we go on the daily, you guys can see we traded below that bullish fair value gap, but this opening week's candle completely overtook the bearish candle, which was Friday's candle. And I'm just trying to see now if this candle will keep pushing higher, and I'm targeting that 21,351 level for today. That's pretty much what we're going to be targeting. I'm not really going to try to push anything else. The account is still at $50,441 after our losses last week, so I want to see if we could just take some light trades, here to there, and call it a day, and see how often and repeatedly I could do this. So we'll see what happens here. So far so good. I like that price is pushing higher. This is that 10 a.m. candle that's being formed. We entered a little bit before the 10 a.m. open, which is fine. So far so good when it comes to what price is doing right now. Ideally, I want to see price kind of rush up to those highs, taking the London highs over there. So that's our target. Price did just take these highs here, so that liquidity was rated. Let me go into the 5-minute here. Yeah, so my London highs are these equal highs here. I'll probably do one contract here, and then another one a little higher. Part of me is wondering if I should just take a partial here already. Price rushed up here very, very quickly. But I think the high equal highs here are clear enough that price would want to, take those highs. So we're going to have to wait and see. I don't know if I should already shift my stop loss to break even. Kind of afraid that we could get manipulated out of our trade that way. But at the same time, with the way that this candle opened, I would like to see price just rush to those highs, not really, retrace lower. So I'll shift my stop loss to break even here, with the hopes that, it's not going to really breach this 10 a.m. candle open. I'm looking from the 15-minute. I just don't see why price would trade all the way up there to just retrace lower and start selling off. I think with how quickly this candle was pushing up, there's no doubt we're gonna go for these highs here. So let's see what happens. But really trying to stay, focused and not let any fears of this retracing on me get me to shift my stop loss in any way that can cause us to lose the profits that we're going for. I don't like how long it's taking. Alright, so it's taking quite a while, so we're just going to take one off there, and then we'll target that last one up there. Gave us a nice little profit so far. Let's see what happens from here. I don't know if it was a bad idea to shift it. I don't know if they want to retrace into this fib here. Maybe take out anyone who bought last minute before hitting the London highs. That's possible. I think at this point I just kind of want to secure my profits in case it doesn't go the way I'm planning it to go. So we have 236 currently flowing in P&L. The current open P&L is around $130. So we made around $100 in that first profit there. So we'll see what happens here. I would like price to just keep pushing higher, but as you guys can see, price could always do that retracement and then retrace under these lows possibly, and then push higher. We'll see. I would like it to just keep pumping higher though, minimal retracements, straight to our target, which is those London highs. Yep, there you go. TP was hit. So we're at $50,699, ending the day with $250 in profit. So we'll take that. I don't want to push too much. Like I said, we're looking for consistency with our trades, and this was a beautiful trade. One trade, and it went right to target, just the way we were hoping it would. And that's it for me today. I'm going to finish reading my book, and then we have to get ready for work. So I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you guys have a great trading week this week. Maybe I'll definitely hop on tomorrow for some more trading. Hopefully we can get another nice trade and bring that account back up to 51,000.